To remove your phone number from Temu, follow these steps. Open the Temu app or website. Launch the Temu app on your phone or visit the Temu website on your desktop. Log into your account. Log into your Temu account using your username and password. If you're not already logged in, enter your credentials to access your account. Go to Account Settings. Once logged in, tap on your profile icon or navigate to the Settings or Account section. Find the Phone Number section. In the Account Settings or Personal Info section, look for the area where your phone number is listed. It may be under Account Information, Personal Details, or Contact Information. Edit or remove your phone number. Depending on the app version or website layout, you might see an edit option next to your phone number. If possible, click it and either remove the number or replace it with another contact number. If there's no direct option to remove it, you might need to contact Temu customer support. Contact Temu support. If you can't remove the phone number manually, reach out to Temu customer support via the Help or Support section and request that your phone number be removed from the system.